Sometimes when I'm cooking or baking, I just want to use a smaller device instead of waiting for my stovetop oven to heat up all the way. This Nuwave Bravo toaster oven is perfect not only for that, but for so many other things. You can use it as a toaster, as a convection oven, an air fryer, and you can even use it to dehydrate. It's so convenient to have around and it doesn't take up much space at all. It's so straightforward to use and easy to set up and get going. It's high efficiency rated at 1800 watts, making it pretty powerful for its small convenient size. It has simple digital controls allowing you to select temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can select any one of the 12 preset programs to air fry, grill, broil, defrost, roast, and more. You can also use the knob to adjust the time or heat level really easily with all of those preset modes. It has a top and bottom heater, and each can be turned on or off, and you can adjust their intensity. It also has a convection fan to spread the heat evenly. Inside the oven, there are 2 different rack positions, and each rack can be placed facing up or down, giving you different levels of heights. And each rack can withstand over 30 pounds, which is pretty amazing. The oven comes with 1 heavy-duty cooking rack, a baking pan and rack, an air fryer basket, a removable crumb tray, and it also includes a recipe book with some great ideas. I tested it with one of my favorite banana bread recipes and quickly realized it was a great addition to our home. It preheat really quickly and evenly and was super easy to set up to the exact time and temperatures I wanted. This will be my new trusty companion for easy baking and quick dinners. No more waiting for the massive oven to take forever to preheat. Thank you.